Right, so that's the 1440p benchmarks, power and thermals done and dusted. I did actually test the 9070 GRE at 1080p resolution as well, and the results are as shown on the screen, where I also compared the 9070 GRE's performance against NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB in the form of MSI's GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16G Gaming Trio OC, which I tested on the very same testbench PC. When I received the 9070 GRE for review, AMD's reviewer's guide pitted the 9070 GRE against the RTX 5060 Ti 16GB, reason being that although the 5060 Ti 16GB first launched with an MSRP of $429 back in April 2025, the whole AI data center boom has since sent RAM prices skywards, and graphics cards with GDDR6 memory modules have seen their prices go up as well, the 5060 Ti 16GB included, where as of May 2026, the cheapest 5060 Ti 16GB graphics cards are going for around $569 or higher on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon US or Newegg US. Now, assuming that the 9070 GRE does actually launch and stay at its intended MSRP of $549, getting the 9070 GRE over the 5060 Ti 16GB does seem like a no-brainer, especially given that it does perform around 10 to 20% faster than the 5060 Ti 16GB, at least from the 6 games that I've tested. Small sample size of benchmarks I know, but again this is assuming that the 9070 GRE does actually sell at its MSRP of $549. For added context, the 9060 XT 16GB, which is one tier down from the 9070 GRE, has the cheapest models going for around $439 on platforms such as Newegg US, where it performs very similarly to the 5060 Ti 16GB, while the cheapest 9070 non-GRE graphics card is going for around $599 the last I checked on Newegg. All in all, the 9070 GRE does seem to slot in nicely between AMD's 9060 XT 16GB and the 9070 non-XT non-GRE GPUs, and given current market conditions, the 9070 GRE does, at the bare minimum, give consumers additional GPU options to choose from to better meet their needs. With that, thank you so much for watching, hit the like button and get subscribed if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys around the next time.